What's up, guys? Here, it's Tony checking you out from beautiful Waianae. It's a pier. There's a boats coming in. She's a monster. Just came out here to check on the water. They said the water was going to be really rough, extra high today on the west side of Oahu Hawaii. Let's check them out. There's a lot of wind noise, guys. Sorry for the wind. So you guys get to see how the water looks. Check this boat coming in. Look at this. Pretty good captain over there. See, docked. The water down here is pretty rough. People fishing on the dock. Yeah, that's it. The water's pretty rough here. The surge coming up here on the Waianae dock and pier. So they talk about down here, watch out for that surge. Push your boat right up on the top. Come off your trailer and everything.